So this bit here will tell you, it would be like a database. It's an official database that you can check up to see, that I'm qualified and so on. This is my YouTube channel. This is my Twitter account. This is how to get to my website, my Google review, my Facebook review, my Trustpilot review, and any anonymous feedback, email, phone number. If you want to check to see when else I'm available, so if you need to change your lesson time or book more lessons or whatever else it is, you can click here. And this is your active learning folder. So all the things we looked at before that had, what lessons we did, what were the lessons about, what qualifications you've done, and so on. You can click there. Now, actually, the links are actually in the top right of each of the icons you see. So they don't. So you would click on that individual link to take you there. So, for example, if I click there, it now loads up my calendar, and you can see, once it loads, you can see all my availability there, and you can see the available slots like that. And then this would be where you would save your files by clicking in here. Now, the active learning folder and the things specific to you, you'll only, if it's a Google thing, like basically these two, you'll only have access to them if you actually are logged in within, as that particular username. And then that's your Zoom, so you can click on here just to start the Zoom meeting. So these three are specific to you. The rest of them would be different for each person, of course. Okay, so let me just stop that.